If you're currently considering the purchase of an off-grid or backup power system for your home, business, or mobile application and are researching which products will best meet your needs, we would like to offer 2 pieces of advice that can help you make a confident, well-informed decision. Drawing on nearly 30 years of experience in the renewable energy industry, these are 2 of the most important recommendations we can share. First, when evaluating product recommendations on YouTube, exercise caution with videos centered around unboxings, quick reviews, teardowns, or load testing. While these videos may be entertaining or helpful for seeing a product out of the box, they rarely provide meaningful insight into long-term reliability, engineering quality, or real-world performance. The reality is that many of the claims presented in these videos are not supported by genuine engineering experience or validated testing. In most cases, the individuals presenting these products do not have formal training in solar system design, inverter or battery manufacturing, or component-level repair. They also typically lack access to, let alone the expertise to operate, the lab-grade diagnostic and load testing equipment required to evaluate product performance under real-world conditions. In short, they are not engineers or technicians. And while they may come across as friendly and relatable on camera, their primary objective is not to educate or protect you. It is to promote products. These creators are often compensated through affiliate commissions, and many are willing to make broad claims or omit critical limitations in order to drive clicks through their referral links. Our second recommendation is to perform your own independent research before purchasing any solar equipment. Rather than relying solely on product endorsements found on YouTube, take the time to carefully evaluate the brands and models you are considering. One simple yet highly effective step is to search for documented consumer complaints and real-world ownership experiences. For example, enter the product's model name followed by the word complaints into Google's search bar. This quick search can reveal a consolidated view of real-world user experiences, as Google aggregates feedback and reports from a wide range of credible sources across the internet. Reviewing this information can provide valuable insight into product reliability, recurring performance issues, and long-term customer satisfaction, helping you make a far more informed purchasing decision before investing in your system. Whether you're providing backup power for the lights and sound system at a massive metal concert in Pasadena, California, or keeping your home's lights and appliances running through the next monster storm in Norman, Oklahoma, OffGridSolar.com has got you covered. With over 28 years of experience in the solar industry, we offer the absolute lowest prices, the very best products, and unparalleled service.
Morning breaks across the valley floor. Golden light comes pouring through the door. Current rising with the dawn's first flame. Every day begins the same. Batteries waiting through the night so long. Now they're filling up and growing strong. Silent power stored and standing by, ready when the grid runs dry. When the thunder shakes the evening sky and the neighborhood goes dark tonight, we don't worry, we don't run or hide. Our power's always by our side. Another day, another charge comes in. The cycle starts all over again.
Every DIY solar battery backup system that we sell is built with premium inverters, industrial-grade switchgear, and high-performance lithium batteries chosen for one reason: long-term reliability. If you're searching for the lightweight, consumer-grade, high-frequency inverters promoted by YouTube influencers chasing affiliate commissions, you've come to the wrong place. Our 10-kilowatt Iron Core Inverter is built with massive, heavy-duty output transformers, delivering real-world performance that outperforms and outlasts many of the 12-kilowatt high-frequency transformerless units everyone else is pushing. Designed for brutal surge loads and demanding 24/7 operation, it's far more resistant to failure from lightning strikes, high inrush current exposure, and punishing inductive loads than the lightweight, high-frequency alternatives flooding today's market.
In full bloom when the thunder shakes the evening
This system also includes high-quality, top-name brand EVE Energy LFP cells in its batteries. When it comes to lithium battery cells, EVE Energy is one of the most trusted names in the world. Founded in 2001, EVE has grown into a global powerhouse in advanced battery manufacturing, producing millions of high-performance lithium cells used in electric vehicles, grid storage, and renewable energy systems worldwide. EVE's LFP cells are known for exceptional reliability, long cycle life, and industry-leading safety. Their proven chemistry and precision manufacturing have made them a dominant force in the global energy storage market.
When I took control and built a system of my own. Offgridsolar.com, offgridsolar.com keeps me strong. Offgridsolar.com, offgridsolar.com.
Bring us the best off-grid solar quote you've got, your strongest, most competitive offer, and watch us crush it. We'll beat it with higher quality, longer lasting, higher performance, top name brand equipment, and still deliver a price no dealer can touch.